Hello guys, welcome back. Happy Chinese New Year to those who are celebrating. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about, will AI replace designers? I am Yong. Before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video and share this video to all your friends. Do subscribe now so that you won't be missing content that we have planned throughout the whole year for you guys. When you open the news and you see headlines like, will AI replace designer? You must be like, oh no, I've spent so much money studying and now I might not even have a future. In terms of designing, things are a little bit trickier. Design is about creativity and custom tailored towards your clients or anyone's need. Does that mean that AI-powered tools will replace human in the future? Well, it's not that simple. Let me explain. What happens when a machine can bring the cost of a thing really low? What will happen to everyone that is doing the job currently? That's the real question that every designer is asking themselves. So I personally tried a AI generating software called DALL-E, and this is some of the prompts that I tried, and this is some of the stuff that the software came up with. KL skyline with watercolor painting. A golden retriever holding a balloon. Yes, you can see it can generate some great result, but at the end of the day, you will need someone to write down the prompt because this AI can only generate based on what they have in the system. Yes, they excel at guessing using probability. However, they are still unable to contextualize, design, and inspire empathy from consumer, especially when you have client project. Every client requires different design elements and different styles for their own particular brand. You can't just use an AI generated design and use for every brand. It doesn't work that way. At the end of the day, you will still need a designer to think creatively on how to attract the audience. As a designer, have any of you guys faced a situation like this? After a long day and you open your WhatsApp and then your boss texts, hey, can you change the design of this thing? Can you amend it? Can you make the logo bigger? If it's an AI, they might not know what to do. But as a human, you have to just follow lah. It's your boss after all. For the creative field, at least in the next few years to decades, you will still need someone to do the tasks. Automating repetitive tasks can be replaced by robots. But for the art industry, not so much. As a designer, you must not be stuck with the old software, old design, using the old same technique. Instead, you should try to explore more software, new techniques to try to fasten up your process of working. Most of the employer, when they are hiring, they will look for someone with multiple skills. You might be thinking, yes, I'm not paid enough for this, but as a human being, do you want to be stuck and do the same thing over and over until you die? It is about improving yourself day by day so that you can explore new things in life. You might not know one day that you might just get replaced, because that's the harsh truth. Projects and clients are a very personalized and customized thing. Instead of replacing humans with AI, what most likely will happen is that the co-creation between AI and designers. In the past, technology have helped humans becoming faster and more efficient in what they do. For example, back then when you use Premiere Pro or After Effects, you might take few hours to render just a simple animation. But nowadays, with the help of technology and advancement in technology, we can render much more faster. AI will help designers to speed up the process on the workflow. Eventually, we will get better thanks to AI. However, machines won't be taking over creative and designers' job just yet. Maybe for now. So, what do you think? Will designer be replaced near the future? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.